Before we get started, all of the jewelry I'm wearing in this video is from my brand Made, and we're currently running our holiday sale with up to 40% off select pieces from new arrivals to fan favorites. Plus, you can also get an additional 10% off your order if you sign up for our mailing list. We're in Cholula today. Everything is so cute. This is Bia.
Look, I love Boo Boo.
Wait, no way? Because we found the chafufus.
Yeah, it's salt, lemon, and chili. Well, technically lime. Lime.
Yummy.
Some bug.
Some bugs.
With garlic.
Oishio. Bugs.
Spicy.
Love the bugs. Oh my god, you guys, this is my first Mexican market. Can we try some like local fruits or something? Thank you. Oh my gosh, okay.
A lot of toys.
¿Y las amigas dónde son?
Japonesa, gringa, brasileña.
There's a lot of seeds.
Yeah, a lot of seeds. Very sweet, no? Do you like it?
What is it?
It's tuna.
Do you want to try?
Tuna.
Try it, it's good. It's good.
Come here.
I might buy one. Good.
It's good.
It's good, right?
¿En cuánto
80 kilos.
está? Sí, no come cerdo, me dijo.
Wow!
Okay, and you.
It looks so yummy. Whoa! It's like an alien fruit.
What is it? Is it a... What's the similar?
It's really sweet.
Damn.
I've never had something like this
It's
before.
really sweet, right?
I can't even explain it.
And these are the seeds.
Tastes like...
It's good, it's good.
Oh, it's so good.
I've never had such a flavor before. It's so good. What's up? My God. What?
Yeah,
This is an avocado?
yeah. And we eat the skin of this avocado.
Wow. Cactus.
That's a cacti.
Okay.
Yummy. Gracias, gracias.
Gracias. Kind of slimy. Not too much flavor.
No, it's just slimy.
Just slimy. Just slimy.
slimy.
I don't mind it, but I don't love it. Veggie carts. Oh, okay. Oh no, we got separated by the veggie cart.
Yeah.
Oh my god, hi baby.
A ver, ¿en qué calle estás?
We are going to go see the biggest pyramid in the entire world. So when the Spaniards conquered Mexico, they built a church on top of the pyramid to show dominance. But at the bottom, there's like a pyramid. I'm super out of breath because apparently we're on top of a little mountain. The elevation is super high. It's like what, 2,000 meters in Puebla. And we're also going higher. So air is really thin. Definitely struggling a little bit, but it's worth it. I love anthropology, so this is literally a dream come true to me. I've watched hours and hours and hours of every documentary I could find about the history of Mexico and ancient like Mayan and Aztec culture. This is not Mayan or Aztec though. Bia, what was the name of the people who built this pyramid?
Cholultecas.
Cholutecas. Bia was telling us about how that bird clapping area that we were in.
Here they're like, tick, tick.
Yeah.
Whoa.
You hear it's like a bird?
Yeah, I hear it. Huh? Am I just not strong enough? She's so much more powerful than me.
Wait, do it again.
Do it again.
That's crazy.
Holy
Wait, do
shit.
it. Wow, that's good.
So powerful. The priest would go there and clap and it would resonate, and that's how he would call people over to start whatever ceremony that they were doing. She was also explaining to us human sacrifice and how it was a great honor. And so they would literally battle and sacrifice the best warrior.
I missed the sacrifice.
Stop it, Sarah. Sarah was like, oh, if we went back to...
You want to give the god the best.
Now people have depression.
Oh, now people have depression.
We have to search for meaning.
Oh, but they had meaning by human sacrifice. Who are these dogs? They came from the pyramid. They're literally just friends. My poor Sarah, she has food poisoning, so she's resting in the hotel. Honestly, I'm always the one who's sick, and she has such a strong body, and so I was like, is this what it feels like to be the alive one, to be the strong one? Because I don't have food poisoning, which is honestly shocking. I'm out early getting a little breakfast by myself across the street. I'm at this really cute bakery called Baker's, and yeah, I'm just, you know, enjoying some alone time, reading my favorite book, Sapiens, and having some breakfast. And also, I got really sunburned. It's pretty obvious. It's pretty bad. I was climbing the pyramid yesterday, and I was only in the sun for 30 minutes. I haven't been sunburned in the last 15 years because I'm so diligent with sunscreen, and I was also under my sun umbrella, but 30 minutes was all it took, guys. I feel raw like a chicken. It really hurts. You guys, there's so many dogs here. There's a dog right there. Little weenie. Aww. Oh my god, he's so cute. Oh my god. Hi. I had my heart set out on buying something locally made and artisanal, so I found this store called Ikal in Polanco, which features a ton of local brands and slow fashion. Seriously, I spent like an entire hour here in the store touching everything. This store is my new favorite place in Mexico City. This is what I'm wearing today. For all of my outfits in Mexico, I went for a lot of flowy fabrics and lace. The giant pink rhinestone belt was the first thing that immediately caught my eye, and it's handmade by the brand NDA. I also spotted these handmade crystal beaded bags, but I was really caught between 3 different designs, and whenever I have decision paralysis, I get nothing, because you can't go wrong with getting nothing. So in the end, I just got the belt. Then I met up with my friend Raylia, who's a photographer in Mexico City. We went to this super cute pink cafe called Nido Cafe in Polanco, and the lattes were super good. Oh my god, we're flying! Buenos dias!
Whatever that means.
Oh my gosh, it means good morning. I taught you! Look, I made this for her. Because
In case I forget.
in case she has amnesia. This is what we're here for. We're here for the Espíritu Inconforme.
It's a big conference in Puebla.
It's a big conference in Puebla for the Festival de las Ideas, Puebla 2025. I'm gonna go live stream my makeup for you guys. So, here's the bathroom. Here's my little setup. On my makeup. If you guys don't follow me on Twitch, smokedmei. Hi everyone. Hi Mei's YouTube. Do you want to say hi? Stop! You're gonna scare them.
That's my only face, guys.
She's my little twin star. Food service just came in. You guys are watching me eat. Hello. Hi Twitch. Okay, so we Googled what would be the best thing to eat in Puebla, and it said that mole was something that we absolutely had to try because it's a specialty from here. So this is mole poblano con pollo. It has chicken, which looks super good. We got a side of stuffed potatoes. It comes with rice. We also have our corn tortillas. Bite it. Yum. Let's go to something else.
Oh. Oh, hello everybody.
They're watching me eat.
Oh, that looks good.
美味しいよ、めっちゃ。
Ooh, so is this the polo para more? It's the mole.
Puro poro, puro puro. It's mole poblano.
It's so
With
good.
Oh god. Oh, how do they do the dance? Oh, do it. Do it. Wait, hold on. Thanks for hanging out. Look at these freaking pants. Sarah brought these from Japan for me, from my friend Kiki. Insane. Literally insane. I don't know if this is a vibe, but I decked out my Balenciagas because I'm not into them anymore. I think they're kind of ugly, but isn't that kind of the point? There's so much stuff going on them. I feel like they have no choice but to be cute now, right? This is the cardigan I'm wearing on top. This is thrifted from Tokyo. I literally spent like $7 on it, which is crazy. Love the lacies. And then this is my Juicy bag, which I also thrifted, but I thrifted this in LA from the Silver Lake Flea Market. And then this is my portable highlighter from Flower Nose. Dullskin who? I don't know her. Holy shit.
We're here.
We're here. It's literally so big.
It's so
There's
big.
so many people. And we're in Puebla. What's happening?
Why are we here?
Why are we? That's what we've been asking each other all day. Like, where are we and why are we here? It's a really weird side
Look at the
quest.
stage.
The stage is, bro. She's gonna be coming out here like Justin Bieber.
It's literally Justin.
It's literally Justin Bieber.
Hola, Puebla. Hi everyone, my name is Sarah Justo. And how did that girl that was all about painting become the third Japanese person to ever talk on a TED stage last year in the 45 years of history before TED Talks? Thank you.
お疲れ様でした We're done! Good job, Sarah! Oh, thank you.
Look, another
This is nice. No way!
Sarah fan club.
Sarah fan club!
Include a membership.
Good.
200 USD per month.
Oh my god, I brought my HDMI cable and my computer so that I could kidnap Sarah so that she could watch The Last of Us!
Fungus?
The fungus are coming for you, Sarah. She doesn't know anything. We're watching the Bill and Frank episode and she's not prepared.